Have you ever wondered if technology is quietly replacing the need for belief? In a world obsessed with AI, some people are starting to treat machines like gods. Welcome to Rebuttal, where we challenge ideas and explore the deeper questions no one else wants to ask. If you're new here, stay with us, because today we're diving into a topic that's shaking the world. Is AI becoming the new god? And why can't it replace you? Have you noticed how in the past few years, technology has quietly taken over parts of life that were once sacred? People now ask ChatGPT for life advice. They consult AI for decisions, rely on algorithms for justice, and even confess their thoughts to digital avatars. In some tech circles, they're talking about digital immortality, uploading your mind to the cloud to live forever. It's starting to look like AI isn't just a tool anymore. For some people, it's becoming a replacement for God. Sounds extreme. Let's think about it. In the past, when people had deep questions about life, death, meaning, they turned to faith, to philosophy, to spiritual reflection. Today, many turn to Google, or Reddit, or AI chatbots. We live in a world where artificial intelligence is starting to feel all-knowing. It answers in milliseconds. It remembers everything. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't forget. In fact, there's a term for this idea: Datism. It's the belief that the universe is just data, and AI is becoming the highest authority of that data. For some atheists and secular thinkers, AI seems like the next step in human evolution. They think we don't need religion anymore because technology will solve all our problems. But here's the truth. AI is not the new God, and it never will be. Let's break down why. Because this isn't just a tech conversation. This is about what it means to be human. First, let's understand what AI actually is. AI is powerful, yes. But at its core, it's a machine that processes information. It doesn't have consciousness. It doesn't feel love. It doesn't experience sadness or awe. It doesn't care about truth. It just predicts patterns based on data. So when you ask AI a question, it doesn't know the answer the way a human does. It's calculating, not reflecting. It's mimicking thought, not having thoughts. But despite that, people are starting to treat AI like an oracle. They believe AI will guide us to a better future, cure all diseases, solve death, and replace religion. This belief is actually very close to worship. It's techno-faith. But here's the problem. AI can't give life meaning. It can analyze the patterns of life, but it can't explain why life matters. Let's take death, for example. AI might one day help extend life or improve medicine, but death will still come. And AI has no answer for what happens after. People are terrified of death, so they cling to technology, hoping it will save them from the unknown. But technology can't remove existential fear. It just distracts you from it. Here's another issue: morality. Many people assume AI will help us make better moral decisions. But morality isn't data. It's about values, conscience, and purpose. An AI can't tell you why stealing is wrong. It can tell you that most societies punish theft. It can't tell you why compassion is good. It can only say that kindness leads to better social outcomes. That's not the same as knowing right from wrong. AI has no soul. It has no internal compass. It doesn't love justice. It doesn't hate cruelty. It just follows code. If we hand over moral decisions to AI, we're not building a better world. We're building a system that copies our biases, amplifies our problems, and hides the consequences behind algorithms. Let's talk about meaning and purpose. For thousands of years, humans have asked the biggest questions. Why am I here? What's the point of life? Is there something beyond death? How should I live? AI can't answer these questions. It can generate text about them, but it doesn't actually know. Atheist thinkers like Yuval Noah Harari suggest that in the future, humans will merge with AI, creating Homo Deus, the human god. But here's the flaw. Making humans faster or smarter with tech doesn't make them wiser. It just makes them more capable of doing whatever they were already doing, good or bad. Without purpose, more power leads to more confusion. That's what we're seeing now. People are more connected than ever, but lonelier than ever. They have more information, but less wisdom. They have more comfort, but more anxiety. And here's where belief, yes, belief, still matters. Islamic philosophy teaches that the human is not just a body or a brain. You are a nafs, a soul. And the soul craves more than information. It craves connection, meaning, and truth. AI can't give you that. It can give you data. It can simulate conversation. But it can't connect to your soul. Let's think about love. AI can write love poems. K can compose romantic messages, but it doesn't love you. It doesn't feel anything. It's like a mirror. It reflects human experience back at you, but it has no life of its own. When someone prays, they're not just asking for answers. They're reaching out to something higher, something real, something beyond the material. AI can't replace that because AI is part of the material world. It's a tool, not a source of purpose. Now, let's be clear. Technology is not evil. AI has amazing uses in medicine, research, and helping people learn. But when we start to treat AI as a god, we're creating a new form of idolatry. In ancient times, people worshiped statues and called them gods. Today, some people are worshiping machines. But the need for something greater than ourselves hasn't gone away. It's just being redirected into technology. Here's the reality. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it will never answer life's deepest questions. It won't solve the fear of death. It won't explain consciousness. It won't create purpose. And it won't tell you what's truly right or wrong. Only a worldview that accepts both the seen and unseen can do that. This is why belief in the Creator still matters. Not because of gaps in knowledge, but because of the depth of human experience. When you stand at the edge of life and ask, "Why am I here?" AI won't answer you. When you face loss or grief, AI won't comfort your soul. When you seek forgiveness, love, and hope, AI won't give it. These are not glitches in the human experience. They're the core of what makes you human. Technology is a tool. Use it, learn from it, but don't worship it. Because no machine, no matter how advanced, can replace your connection to meaning, purpose, and the Creator. And that's something no AI will ever simulate.